In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Gmail. Using tasks directly inside Gmail is a simple way to keep track of what you need to do without leaving your inbox. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have your own to-do list set up and ready to use. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once your inbox is visible, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a small vertical panel with a few icons such as Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. The Tasks icon looks like a small blue circle with a check mark inside it. Go ahead and click on that Tasks icon. This will open the Google Tasks panel on the right side of your Gmail window. When the Tasks panel opens, you'll see an option that says Add a Task. This is where you begin creating your first item. Click on Add a Task. A text field will appear, waiting for you to type something in, but before we add specific tasks, we'll organize things a bit by creating a dedicated list. Look for the list name at the top of the Tasks panel. There will be a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that drop-down, and from the menu that appears, select Create New List. This helps you keep different types of tasks separate. For example, you might have one list for work, one for personal reminders, or one for a specific project. A small box will appear asking for the name of your new list. Click into the text field and type To Do. This will be the name of your task list where you'll store all the items you want to remember or follow up on. You can always create more lists later, but starting with a simple to-do list is a great way to get organized. After typing To Do, look for the option that says Done in that same box. Click on Done to save the name